firmness. I don't like the whole soggy mixture of bananas and condensed milk. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. Today we are going to be making something delicious. I don't know if it originates from South Africa. I've scoured the internet far and wide to find out where does banana salad come from. When I Google this stuff, the only thing that comes up is basically a fruit salad. But we do it a bit different in South Africa. We make it with condensed milk, mayonnaise, lemon juice, all that type of stuff. So if you want to see that being done today, please drop a like down below, comment and subscribe, and let's get to the video. Okay, we're going to be starting out with some medium to large size bananas. So the way I work it out is about 1.5 bananas per person. We're going to be preparing around for 2 people, but I'll make a little bit more of this batch because you can't get enough of it. I'll do 5. Now, what we want to do is, I want to peel these off, and then we'll take about wheels, on average about 2 centimeters in size, maybe a little bit smaller or very, very thin, depends. I have seen that if you do cut it too small, it goes thin and goes a bit mushy. I don't like the texture, I prefer it a little bit bigger, and I'll leave it in the fridge for a bit longer. And now, for the start of the show, we're going to be using some delicious sweetened condensed milk. Combine this with some tangy mayonnaise and we are all set. Now, normally I do half a tin. I'm quite in the mood for something sweet today, so I'm going to do about a 3/4 tin of condensed milk on about 5 bananas and about 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 2 teaspoons of lemon juice to prevent the banana from going brown and the darkish color from the oxidization. So yes, let's move on to doing that. And there we have it. So that's our delicious bowl of banana salad. Now, a lot of people add stuff like raisins, other fruit pieces. I've even seen peach slices being added to this. So this is the real basic banana salad. It sets the foundation for what you want to do. Give it a try just as is. But for now, let's pop this in the fridge for about either overnight or maybe an hour or 2. It needs to be served quite chilled. Otherwise, you can get quite a zesty, stinging taste in the mouth from the lemon juice and also the tanginess from the mayo. Let's pop it into the fridge and we'll give it a taste. And there we have it. I've left it in the fridge for about 2 hours now. I prefer leaving it overnight, but you can see there's almost no discoloration. Normally, if you don't put the lemon juice, it'll go a bit brown. The mayonnaise does help a bit, but let's give it a taste. Oh, look at that. That's the reason I love the big chunky pieces. You can get a nice grab into them. They still have a bit of firmness. I don't like the whole soggy mixture of bananas and condensed milk. That is absolutely amazing. Now, if you guys are doing a braai, a barbecue, whatever you want to call it, this is the go-to salad. Or you can even serve it as a dessert. Whichever way, it's absolutely delicious. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like down below, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Definitely gossip, blah, blah.